Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to find the postpay Swift code in Italy. First, open Google and type postpay Swift code in the search bar. Then, open the first result you see. It will usually show the official Swift or BIC code for postpay. Once you find it, just copy the code and paste it wherever you need. For example, when sending or receiving an international payment. And that's it. That's how to find the postpay Swift code in Italy. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.